This is the story of how we adapted Callaba for one of the biggest events in the world. It all started in December 2024. We got a call, the kind that makes you sit up, lock in, and maybe break a little sweat. A client was working on the live video setup for the Champions League. Yes, that Champions League. And we knew right away. This was going to be one of the biggest tests our software had ever faced. If you're not a football fan, the UEFA Champions League is Europe's biggest club tournament. Top teams, massive pressure. The 2024 final pulled in around 450 million viewers worldwide. Midway through the 2024-25 season, over 5.1 million people tuned in just on UEFA's digital platforms. It's not just a sports event, it's a digital broadcast beast. So, we talked with the client. We shared the plan. The architecture looked like this. Client's master stream goes to a regional SRT gateway. The gateway handles incoming streams with redundancy and failover. It also has dedicated transcoding units powered by GPU acceleration. Outputs are delivered as adaptive HLS and enhanced RTMP depending on the destination. Next, we connected to the Twitch ingest endpoint provided for this client. Twitch uses AWS CloudFront to deliver streams, so from there, the video goes straight to the CDN and out to a global audience. The Champions League uses SRT. It stands for Secure Reliable Transport, because it's a low-latency streaming protocol that keeps the video stable, even if the network isn't very good. SRT also has built-in error correction and encryption, which makes it very reliable for live sports. In our setup, we've got an SRT gateway with built-in failover and automatic switching, so if the mainstream ever drops, it instantly flips over to a backup, without black screens or awkward delays. It just keeps going. Now, for a global event like the Champions League, live transcoding needs to be really fast and efficient. That's why we use GPU transcoding. GPUs can handle multiple 4K streams at once, about 8 times faster than regular CPUs, and they keep every frame in sync, even when the action's intense.